and we are energized, or wired up and fired up. That's what they used to call me when I first started, old wire and fire. I was a commissioning technician. Well, actually I started in the shop, cutting duct. Then I went to a retro install mechanic helper. Then I went to new home installation when the boom of new home was going around in Virginia. We did a lot of those. And also, when I became a commissioning technician, then I went to school, got my seat hours, got my journeyman set for my master's. Then I became a technician. Then I got my Class B. And then we opened the business. All got to start somewhere, folks.